Right, question 18. It says, given that y is inversely proportional to x, and that y is 3 when x is 10, find an expression for y in terms of x. Now, when it talks about proportional, okay, it doesn't mean that it's equal to it, okay? It's just describing the relationship between the two and what happens when one of them grows or increases, okay? Now, if something was proportional, we would write this. If something was proportional, y is proportional to x. In other words, as x increases, so does y. Okay, as x grows, so does y. But when something is inversely proportional, we write it like this: 1 over x. So as x increases, y actually decreases. Okay, and vice versa as well. So when you see that word inversely, you've always got to write it as 1 over x and forget about that one. Okay. Now, of course, with maths, right, we can't sort of deal with this idea of proportion, right? We need to have some sort of equalness coming in, so we can deal with all the numbers. Because it's proportional, what we can do is we can change this to an equals as long as we bring a constant in. We call that constant k, all right? And that won't get you the full marks, okay? It says here, find an expression for y in terms of x. Now, an expression, we're kind of halfway there. You need to work out what k is, right? So don't leave it like that, because you'll only get 1 mark so far. But notice here, they give you conditions. They say, look, x is 10, y is 3. So let's just replace y with 3, x with 10. That will enable you to work out k, okay? Now, this is just one condition. There's lots of different conditions, but they're giving you one situation. So I put the numbers in. I can work out k now, can't I? Because I'm dividing by 10, take the 10 over and times, so I get my k out to be 30, okay? I've worked out my k because they gave me one condition. To make sure I get the full marks, you need to then put that value in here to get what is called an expression, okay, for y in terms of x. So k is 30, so you've got this. Just substituting k in there, and there's your expression. They will want to see this here, okay? Then you're going to use this then to answer part B. Calculate y when x is 1.5. So, y, 30 over 1.5. Okay, so that's what we want to work out. 30 divided by 1.5. Now, you might be able to do that yourself. You might be able to see what that is. One good way of doing this is, because you're dividing by decimal, you could double that, okay? You're allowed to do these things with fractions, aren't you? So if I double the bottom there, you get 3. So you can do that as long as you double the top, of course. Okay, so 60 then. And 60 divided by 3 is 20. Okay, so that's one good way of doing it. And then x, then when y is 0.5. So go back to that again. 0.5 equals 30 divided by x. Now, x is on the bottom. So what you can do is take that up. 0.5x equals 30. Multiplying, because you're multiplying, you can take the x, you can leave the x in its own and take the 0.5 down and divide, okay? You could have done that straight away, you could have just swapped them. 30 divided by 0.5, now you might see straight away that answer, okay? If you don't, remember you can double the bottom to give you 1 and double the top, of course, to give you 60. So 60 divided by 1 is 60.